Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Uh, in part 1 video we have covered how to integrate Active Directory with Smart Dashboard. In that video I was searching the old options where we were able to see the OPSEC and server application, and from there we are able to see the whatever the configuration we have in AD for the users and groups. However, that is not here with the latest R81.10 Gaia OS. Uh, so that is converted into the other section when we create the user-defined rules. We will see those details over there. That is an improvement. However, now let's proceed with the second part. In this part, I'm trying to enable the identity awareness feature. So when you double click to your cluster object or a gateway object, there is something called identity awareness. Yeah. Once you click that, you will be having the options like select the how the user will identify for, from the security gateways. So depending on your environment, like based on the browser-based authentication, the captive portal option, or terminal servers, when you have applications like Citrix configured, you have this flexibility. Right now, we have the AD configuration. That's why we are selecting AD query. The gateway seamlessly identify Active Directory users and computers. And then you have to select next, and it will give you the fetch the username and the password what you have set up. Uh, I think it should take correct password, or we need to have here. Uh, let's try to say connect. Bad username and password. That's what I have expected. So this is a scope of improvement checkpoint that you don't have to provide the password here. Let's connect now. Awesome. So I have not created any user there like administrator named. That's why it's giving me an error. I think so. Let's go ahead and do this. Okay, let me go to the. Mm, I think let me try this. Let me try changing the password. It's trying. Okay, so my password was incorrect. That's why it's giving me an error. So as you can see, it's got connected. Let me take a screenshot here for my video thumb purpose. Okay, so now successfully connected, which is good. Let's click next. Identity awareness is now active. Identity awareness is now enabled on the gateway cluster 1. Select method to acquiring identity. Active Directory query with domain firewall.com, firewallgan.com. Add access role to the security gateway. Install policy. Watch user counters. View logs. These are the steps. Let me finish. Let me click OK. Let's do it. The policy configuration now. I think the purpose of this lab is only with respect to the AD. So that is what I have already configured. Now let's go ahead into the policy and let's see if we can create or add a user policy from here. Basically, I'm looking here to create access roles. So here is the option. Give it a name for this. I am giving, say, DMZ, or whatever you want to give. I just want to give some name which I can remember. Uh, let's see if we add here inside the rule. It's okay. Mm, give it a name like access rule for 80 for now. Then you have to specify the network, specific network if you want, or any. For now, for the lab purpose, have any. Users, if you want to select specific users. See, this was the option I was talking about. So this option we were able to see earlier versions in OPSEC tab, but here we are not seeing that. Let's do one thing. What if we configure the user first? So this lab will be more interactive. Let's go to the AD here. Give it my it's too slow because of my computer RAM. Oh, let's go to the administrator tools, users, computers. In this domain, we have a lot of things: users, administrators, computers, domain controllers. Let's create a new user group. I don't know how it works, but let's see. Give it a name. My name is Vaibhav. Let me give it a name. Vaibhav. Log on. Just give it the same name. Vaibhav. Password. I don't want user to change password. Okay. Next, finish. So this is done. Let's go back here. Let's specific user, give it my name. Come on. So see that details got fetched. So give it a name like that. Uh, Machine will be any machine for now. Remote access client, we don't have anything. So that's it. Uh, so access rule is created. The other services. Accept. Okay. Let me publish this. And let me install policy. Okay. Source column of the rule contain both access rules and network objects. Mhm. Why? Because the same name, right? So better have this one rule present. But my only communication will allow rest will be fail if that is in the case. But here I have allowed any communication to the gateway, so that will work. Uh, I don't want to break my communication, so DNS. I don't think so. It will break. Let's see how it goes. Let's install. Excuse me. Policy installation successful. Let's try to log in from this gateway using the, the other name or the username. Let's go ahead and try this. So my name was Weber, which I have entered. Um, Come on. It's too slow, guys. Sorry for inconvenience. Okay, so this is the user. Uh, so the permissions need to be given. Member of this. Anyways, let's try to give the permission to the administrator from the checkpoint firewall. So let's edit this access rule. Go to the user. Let's add administrator itself. Policy got installed. Let's go to the logs. And right now, let me just clear the things. So we are seeing these details now. Let's go ahead into the AD and browse something. Let's go to the checkpoint.com. It's taking time, but like we should have some logs. Excuse me. Okay, so gateway is dropping the traffic. Let's go to the security policy. AD rule. So here machine is any machine. So we are talking here anything. Users are both. Network is any. Uh, what is happening here right now? the AD machine IP address which we have is getting dropped because the policy is not matching that. And when I add the AD ID here, I mean IP here, it gives me error. So let's do this same rule I want. And instead of here, I just have the machine. Destination would be any. Only we can give it like any. Switch to any. Let me select. Let me log in.